Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10a and let me share with you how to fix too high gesture sensitivity on this device. So if you've got the situation that you're opening something and you're trying to do something on this edge or the second one, and you are accidentally coming back to the previous page, then I can show you how to fix it because it's quite easy. All you have to do is to change the back sensitivity gesture. And to do that, we have to open the settings. Right here, let's go to the system, which is right here, and then go to navigation mode. Here, tap on this gear icon next to gesture navigation. And as you can see here, we've got something which is called back sensitivity. And right now it is set on the standard option. So I highly recommend to simply go on low. Thanks to it, you will simply change this area. I mean, you will make it smaller, which means that your device will not react that fast to the gestures that you're doing somewhere here, which means that now we have to kind of elongate the gesture in order to actually apply it, which will be useful if you've met the situation that you're trying to do something here and your device is simply backing you up to the previous step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.